today, let's listen to Job 42:10. And the Lord restored Job's losses when he prayed for his friends. Indeed, the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. Job went through so much. He lost everything, his health, his home, and the people he loved. But even after all of that, he chose to pray for his friends. And something amazing happened. God not only restored what Job lost, he gave him double. This verse teaches us a big lesson. Sometimes our breakthrough comes when we shift the focus off ourselves and choose to bless others. Job's story didn't end in pain. It ended in overflow. And yours can too. When you stay faithful, and when you pray even for others, God steps in and rewrites your story with more than you imagined. Amen.
All alone on a Sunday playing games with the names in my head. It's a shame I can't change. Maybe one day you come crawling back to me instead. We keep spinning in this game, no one's winning. If we just take a little more time, I could breathe and relieve the anxiety just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right.
Every single day I think of the times when you were still mine and I'm blue. Got to get away, get you out of my mind. I'm caught up in time and I'm blue.